Hey everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys really parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toy vehicles with my hand. So at first is a military tanker. Let's go. Wow friends, that is my parking place. So I parked here this military tanker. This one is green and black color combination. And next one is a power backhoe. Wow, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here beside this military tanker. See this power backhoe? This one is yellow and black color combination. And next one is a BMW car. So I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here beside this power backhoe. See this BMW, this one is a blue, yellow, black and white color combination. Wow friends, see, there is a R17 bike. I will try this one. Wow, I parked here beside this BMW. See this R17, this one is black and yellow color combination. And there is a next one is under construction vehicle, drum truck. So I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here beside this R17. See this drum truck, this one is red, black and blue color combination. And next one is a big size mixer truck here. So I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here beside this drum truck. See this mixer truck, this one is black, yellow and white color combination. Wow friends, there is the last one is very big size Raptor bike. So I will hand drive this one also. Wow friends, I parked here beside this mixer truck. See this one is black and red color combination Raptor bike. So friends, all of my vehicles are serially parked here and all are hand driven with my hand. And now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful toys.